By 2028, businesses will be divided into two groups: those who adopted AI early and those who waited too long. AI is no longer a future trend. It is already changing how companies communicate, market, sell, support customers, and scale operations. The businesses that win will not simply be the ones working harder, they will be the ones using smarter systems. AI helps companies respond to leads instantly, automate follow-ups, schedule appointments, and analyze customer behavior without wasting hours on repetitive tasks. This matters because customers now expect speed, personalization, and convenience. If your business takes too long to respond, a competitor using AI may already have captured that customer. AI is not replacing people, it is replacing outdated processes. When AI handles predictable work, your team has more time for strategy, creativity, and growth. The businesses that fall behind will likely have one thing in common: they hesitated. They thought AI was too complicated or too expensive, but the market will not wait. Start small, automate communication, use AI for CRM and daily workflows. Ready to lead instead of chase? Visit perfectbusinessai.com today.
Want to scale your business using AI? Go to Perfect Business AI and get your free customized blueprint. It's your step-by-step roadmap to dominate. Go get yours today.